Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by capturing the warning verbatim and noting where it appears. That exact text guides the fix. Once done, secure a quick backup so you can revert if needed, and record recent installs or updates that triggered this. Next, open the affected app or browser and access advanced or developer settings. You will not change defaults blindly, but you will gather certificates, permission logs, and recent security events to analyze why the privacy check failed. You now perform targeted diagnostics. Inspect the TLS/SSL certificate for expiration, chain errors, or hostname mismatches, and confirm the site or service identity. Then examine permissions, cross-site cookies, and mixed content that can trigger warnings. Clear site data if inconsistent. If extensions or plugins are present, disable them one at a time to isolate the cause. Once you identify the culprit, renew or reinstall the certificate, update the app, or restore secure settings, and retest the connection immediately. You finish by clearing caches and restarting the app or browser, then revisit the site to confirm the warning is gone. This verifies the repair. Make sure to document what you changed and enable monitoring or automatic certificate renewal to prevent recurrence. If the warning persists, test the same site from another device or network to determine if the issue is server-side versus local. One key troubleshooting tip: if other devices work, focus on local profile corruption. Create a fresh profile before deeper repairs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.